welding two tubes at right angles. So these are two 1" by 1" square tubes, and I've got this magnet that helps me hold these tubes in place so that they are not in the air when I weld it. And so what I do is I first try and weld the edges of the tube, and that helps in holding the tube in place so that when it contracts, this tube doesn't go in or come out. So weld the edges first, and then there's a butt weld here, and I would go and weld the butt first, and then do the fillet welds, which are much easier on that side, and then do the flare bevel welds over here. The flare bevel welds need to be perfect. As you can see, the thickness of the square tubes wasn't enough to take care of 160 amps from the arc weld machine.